To continue our discussion, to solve the concentration of a solution, let us have the next concentration, which is the percent concentration. So it is one way to describe the concentration of a solution by percent of the solution. So we have three types of percent of solution. So we have weight percent, W over W. So this is weight of solute divide the weight of solution times 100. So the weight here will have a unit of gram. So gram over gram times 100. For the second one, we have the volume percent. So we have the V over V. So we have volume of solute, which is ml, divide the volume of solution, which is ml Japon, and then times 100%. And then for weight volume percent, we have W over V. So we have weight of solute nga naka grams divide the volume of solution nga naka ml times 100. So note here nga naka percent siya. So pasabot na atay mga percent. So percent of the solution. So in IUPAC terminology, the weight percent is the mass concentration, and then the volume percent naman is a volume concentration. So weight percent is often used to express the concentration in commercial aqueous reagents, while the volume percent is commonly used to specify the concentration of a solution prepared by diluting a pure liquid. So unsa day pasabot aning each of the percent concentration. So again, percent ang ato ang ano ani is naka 100, naka-multiply na to siya 100. So we have percent weight over weight. Again, this is gram, divide gram times 100. So, ang pasabot lang ana, kung naa daw ko'y 70% weight per weight, pasabot in every 100 gram of the solution, na ako'y 70% 70 gram ato nga solution, nga solute. So, for example here, naa daw ko'y 70% nitric acid, weight over weight. So pasabot in every 100 gram of the solution, in every 100 gram, naa daw ko'y 70 gram nga pure nitric. So mao na siya ang pasabot. And the next one, similar, the percent volume for volume. So for example, if naa ko'y ana siya diri, naa daw siya 5% volume for volume. So if na ko'y 5% BV, so ang buot lang pasabot ana is that in every 100 ml, naa daw ko'y 5 ml nga solute. Mao na siya ang pasabot. Okay. So the next, we have the percent weight over volume. So same, if na ako'y So if na ako'y 5% weight per volume of ethanol, so ang pasabot lang din ana is that in every 100 ml of the solution, kay na ako'y 5 gram nga pure ethanol. So maora na siya ang pasabot. Okay, so this is the derived equation to calculate the grams needed or the ml needed or the grams to solve for if we have given nga percent, then we will use kani nga mga equation. So for the first one, we have the percent weight over volume. Again, weight dayon volume naka ml. And then the second one, we have the percent volume over volume. We had ml here, and then naka ml ni siya dira. And then for third, we have percent weight over weight, gram, and then naka gram po diri sa ubos. Again, this nga mga formula can be used sila if ang given kay naka percent. Bali ipasolve sa tua kung pila nga solute atong need enable for us to have that specific nga concentration. Okay, let us have example. So what is the percent weight over volume of a solution that has 7.5 grams of sodium chloride diluted to 100 ml with the ionized water? So using our formula, we have percent weight over volume is equals, this is again weight, so we have grams here, 7.5 grams, divide, dirigi ka ng 7.5, and then divide ml, 100. So this is sorry, 1 times 100. Dili malimtan mag multiply to 100 since this is a percent composition. Okay, this is 7.5%. So if mag-dissolve daw ta og 7.5 gram of sodium chloride sa 100 ml nga water, then ang atua daw percent concentration is 7.5%. So in every 100 ml of water, 7.5 grams nga solute ang ato ang gi-dissolve. Okay. Sorry. Next example. So a solution contains 24 gram of solute in 300 ml solution. What is the percent concentration? So again, what is the percent? So again, what is the percent concentration for here? We have grams again, then kanikay naka ml. So we have percent weight over volume is equals pilang weight 24 grams divide 300 ml times 100 is equals, so this will be calculate using your calculator, that is 8.0%, or following the significant figure we have 1, so 8%. Okay. So next example, kani, what weight of solute is needed to prepare 250 ml of a 15.00% weight per volume solution? So mo na kung giingon ganiha nga given ang percent. So now ipasolve sa tuwa ang weight ni solute para makahimo tag kani nga percent. Sorry. Okay, so to solve this one, we will use the formula gram is equals the weight of solute divide, so weight of solute, no, and then the solute here is the glucose, so divide in every 100 ml, since kani volume ani, so ml times 250.0 ml. So the answer for here, okay, so the answer for here is pila? So this is 37.50 gram. So cancel out the ml, dahil mabinlan na dahil tao grams there. So para daw makahimo tag 15% weight per volume nga solution, so need na to mag-dissolve og 37.50 gram of glucose in 250 ml na water. Okay. So next example, describe daw how to prepare 200 ml of a 5% volume per volume solution of methanol. So for this one, let us have first calculate kung pila nga ml of methanol atong need. So to calculate, we have ml is equals the volume, pila ang volume diri? 5. Wait, let us balik this one. Okay. So for this one di ay, saan na to? So for this one di ay, the weight of solute here is 15. So 15 di ay. Kay again, in every 15, in every 100, pila man ang part ato kung naka-percent siya. So kani 15%, so we have in every 100 na ay 15 grams. So kani di ang weight of solute na to is 15 gram. Sorry. So again, describe how to prepare 200 ml of a 5% weight volume for volume solution of methanol. So we have 5% in every 100 ml is 5 ml. Sorry. So 5 ml divide in every 100 ml. So pasabot kaning 5% ka in every 100 na atay 5 grams. times 200 ml. So, cancel out. So, ang atong need nga methanol here kay 10. So, pasabot, need na to og 10 ml para makahimo tag 5%. Now, pila man ka water dayon atong need. So, to know, ang ato ang volume kay 200 ml. Ang ato ang volume of the solution, 200 ml. Unya, ang ato adong need nga methanol kay 10 ml. So, 10 ml is equals 190 ml. Pasabot, kailangan nato og 10 ml nga methanol. Ato adayon siyang i-add sa atong 190 nga water para makahimo ta og 200 ml nga solution. Okay. So next, how much ethanol is needed to prepare 150 ml of 15% volume for volume? Then how much water is added in preparing the solution? How to prepare the solution? So first, calculate the need nga solute. Okay, so to calculate, we have ml is equals, so ml because this is volume for volume. So ml is equals 15% kay himo na to siyang gram, 15 ml rather. Sorry, this is 15 ml. Divide 100 ml times 150 ml. So cancel out the ml here. And then the answer for this one is okay, so the answer for this one is 22.5 ml of ethanol. So, pasabot, para makahimo ta og 15%, kailangan na to og 22.5 ml of ethanol nga i-dilute na to sa 150. Okay, so pila man din ang water nga need. So, to solve for water, so, the volume of water is equals, ang volume daw of solution kay 150 ml. 150 ml. Dayon, ang volume lang of solute, this is solute ha. Ang volume ra daw sa solute kay 22.5 ml. So, this is ethanol. So, pila man din ang volume ni water nga need. So, minus lang nato na sila. We have 127.5 ml nga distilled water. So, letter C, how to prepare. So, first, of course, need na to og 22.5 ml. Ibutang din na to siya sa 127.5 ml of water. Okay. So, for this one, let us have a seat work. So, for number 1, suppose that a solution was prepared by dissolving 25 gram of sugar into 125 gram of water. What is the percent by mass? So, percent weight over weight. Kay by mass man kaya ni. So, we have the solute, 25 grams. And then, we have here, sa ubos, kay, di ba, gram of solution man siya ang nasa ubos. Ang pagkuha sa solution kay we have solute plus solvent. So for sa ubos, we will have the 25 grams plus 125 ni water times 100 equals, so the answer for this one is 16.7%. Weight over weight. Weight over weight. How about the second one? So, if a solution daw is made by taking 40.0 ml of ethanol and adding enough water to make 240 ml of solution, what is the percent volume? So this is very easy. So percent volume for volume is equals volume naka ml 40.0 ml divide 240.0 ml times 100 equals 16.7% volume for volume. For number 3, how would you make 200 ml of 15% salt in water solution? So kani, again, gitagaan ta niya og percent. Dayon iyang ipasolve kay pila daw ato ang need nga solute in grams para makahimo ta og solution nga 15%. So again, use the formula. Gram is equals the weight over the volume times 100. So using this formula, makakam up ta og weight of solute. Pila ang weight of solute? Gali kung naka-percent. So kung naka-percent, in every 100 na siya. In every 100. So kani kay 15 man. So pasabot in every 100, 15 grams siya. So 15 grams divide the volume in every. So 100 ml times 200. This is 200 ay ha. This is 100. 200 ml is equals 30.0 gram of salt. So pasabot need na to og 30 grams of salt na i-dissolve na to sa 200 ml para makahimo ta og 15% nga solution. Okay, let us have number 4. Make 300 grams of 20% weight for weight aqueous solution of sodium chloride. So, to solve this one, we will calculate kung pila atong need nga salt again to make a 20% weight for weight nga solution. So, we have grams here is equals in every 100. So, we have 20 grams divide 100 times 300 daw nga solution. So, equals 60 gram of salt. So, need na to og 60 gram of salt to make a 20% solution sa 300 grams nga solution. Okay. So, let us have the next nga concentration. So, the next concentration is the ppm and ppb. So, for ppm and ppb, somewhat similar with your percent. Diba, ato ang percent weight per weight kay this is gram divide gram times 100. Diba? Mao na ato ang percent composition ganiha. So, for ppm, same formula, we have the gram per gram times 10 to the 6. So, instead of 100, gipulihan na to siya og 10 to the 6. For ppb naman, parts per billion, we have gram divide gram times 10 to the 9 ppb. So, maura na siya ang ano. So, somewhat similar with your percent weight per weight. However, ang ato ang gi-multiply kay 10 to the 6 for ppm, 10 to the 9 for ppb. Okay. So, ppm also, pwede po siya equate into mg per liter. And then for ppb, we have the microgram per liter. And then we have ppt here nga gram per liter. Okay. So, again, similar lang na sila. And then, the abbreviation for parts per million, we have the ppm. And then the abbreviation for parts per billion, we have the ppb. Milligram percent, we have mg percent. So, ano ra na siya. Again, this ppm and ppb is somewhat similar with your percent weight per weight, gram per gram times 100. Ang kalahian lang, for ppm, ang diri niya kay 10 to the 6, ang ppb 10 to the 9. Okay, let us have a example. So, 4 mg of NaCl is dissolved in 8 kg of solution. what is the concentration of NaCl in ppm and ppb? So, to solve this one, note nga ang ato ang given kay nakamig o nakakilogram. So, unsay mahitabo ani? Diba, ana ta nga ppm is equals gram over gram times 10 to the 6. So, kay gram over gram man ni siya, so let us convert 4 milligram to gram. So, 4 milligram, 1 gram is equals 1,000 milligram. Divide kani 8 kilogram solution, 8 kilogram times pila 1 kilogram kay 1,000 grams times 10 to the 6. So the answer for this one is 0.5 ppm. And then to calculate naman the ppb, similar lang, ppb is equals gram divide gram times 10 to the 9. So we have 4 mg times 1 gram over 1,000 milligram divide 8 kilogram. Always remember ha nga pag naka-mig gali og naka-kilogram, ato agad siyang i-convert to grams before nato siya i-paslak sa ato ang equation. So we have 500 ppb. So ina na lang kadali ang ppm and ppb. So 0.5 and then 500 ppb. Okay, C-perk, another one. So what is the concentration of a solution in parts per million and parts per billion if 0.02 grams of NaCl is dissolved in 1,000 grams of solution? So very easy. For ppm, again, we have the solute, pilang solute, 0.02 grams. Divide the solution, 100 grams, 1,000 grams, times ppm, this is 10 to the 6. So the answer for this one is 20 ppm. For the second one, ppb, so similar lang ang ilahang pagka-solve, 0.02 nga solute divide 1,000 gram nga solution times 10 to the 9 is equals pila 20,000 ppb. So very easy ang calculation ni ppm and ni ppb. So again, let us remember nga pag ppm multiply 10 to the 6, for ppb multiply 10 to the 9. Then review sa katong percent weight per weight. Okay, same ra man guni sila og formula. Nakalahin la kay kaning ato ang gi-multiply. Okay.